Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to do some work on the wife's Escalade. A while back, I replaced all of the rear dome lights with LEDs that are nice and bright. However, the front two map lights I did not get to because they're a different bulb and they're a little more intricate to do, and I was just being lazy. So today, before she gets going to work, we're going to swap those out for her, and we're going to do her HomeLink garage door opener, because the other video I made on how to do that sucked. So here we go. Alright, so first things first, you're going to take these two lights. All you really need for this is a small screwdriver. You've got little spots where you can pop out the lens, which can be a little bit of a challenge simply because the light itself moves, but it's not too bad. And you're going to need to take out the metal insert as well. And that will pop out with the bulb. Not this one, however. Now the bulb, if you've been in here a while, it's going to be hot. But I just turned this on. Now I can't get it out. We're going to use a needle nose. So now you need two tools for this one. Now be careful because you don't want to break the bulb and get glass everywhere. But it's just two of these little guys, real easy to replace. You can buy LEDs super cheap and get a whole bag of new ones. So this is what the new LED bulb looks like. You're just going to take that and get it into the same socket that the other one was in. Which can be a little difficult with the lack of light. But as you can see, it's already much brighter. You get the metal insert back in. That kind of helps with the reflective lighting, and it makes it a little more easy on the eyes. Pop those on. Get the lens covers back on as well. They can fight you a little bit. There you go. Now her 2005 has a little bit more life to it. Now, real quick for the HomeLink, we'll grab her regular garage door opener. You're going to take your two fingers, press these outside buttons. You're going to wait. It should start blinking once it's ready. Now that it's blinking, hold down the button that you want to be the garage door opener. Hold them both together until it blinks rapidly. Now, you're going to step out, hit the learn button on your garage door. After you go ahead and hit the learn button on the garage door opener, hold down this button until it learns it. You'll hear the light go on and off on the opener itself, depending on the model. Then, open and close, simple as that. Now I will say, I've noticed a little bit of difficulty with my openers, but that is not just the HomeLink, it's any garage door opener. And what I've figured out is because I've got two big LED work lights in my garage. If you're using LED lighting in your garage, it's recommended to space it out from the opener itself, or have them turn on and off depending on if you're actually in here, because LEDs do interfere with the signals. So, if you learned a little bit, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you next time.